Good work, Paula. You've started to put together really solid layouts here. You've picked your fonts, your color schemes, and you've begun laying them out in ways that represent the layout approaches. This is the grid poster, strong vertical points of reference established, along with the horizontal ones, mostly represented by the baselines. I think this is working well as a grid poster. The only place I think that could be thing that can be improved here is the visual hierarchy. The thing that catches my eye most on this poster is the word refresh. One of the least things is the name, I think, because of the red on green here. I would suggest making the name of the shop bigger. You could even stretch it all the way across, make it big enough to fill that space, and then work on the visual hierarchy here. This group of information is almost the same visually as this group of information, which is about the same size and visual impact as this illustration and this illustration. And establishing which ones you want us to look at first is important here, because it just kind of gets stagnant with all this information being roughly the same size. On the freeform poster, I think you're doing really fun things here. You understand that you can put things at angles and run them on and off the page and make some things big and some things small. Again, though, the visual hierarchy is a little bit off. Almost all the information here is roughly the same size and has a very similar visual impact. And I would suggest making, again, choices about what you want the viewer to see first and take away from this first, second, third, fourth, and do that through size and placement. But I do think these are, like I said, off to a really great start, and you have an understanding of the difference between the two approaches. So I'm going to send these back to you. Please, back to you graded. Please make your revisions for the portfolio due at the end of the week, okay?